right, so my boy hooking up dinner for us. What you got here, son?
This right here is fried bean curd sheets, and people be like, "What is bean curd?" It's basically a tofu. So
Tofu sheets, and they fried it up, and then he rehydrated it. Now, what are we pairing this with, man?
So I'm gonna stir fry all this with this Chinese sausage. That's what it's like.
Okay. And you said that got what in it? Some cherry powder?
Yeah, hints of cherry.
Hints of cherry in the sausage.
Cherry.
Okay. And this is that fried bean curd. This is that sausage cut up. It look good, and it smells amazing. It smells like wine. Like it got like a wine in there. But I guess that's that cherry powder and how they fermented it. Okay, so we got the veggies. What veggies we got?
Bok choy.
Okay, love some bok choy.
And these are Chinese garlic chives. This is a good substitute if you don't want to add garlic cloves. You just add this. By smelling it, you can get some garlic in the sauce of it.
Yeah, that smells like you got a little garlic in there. All right, man. What else we got? You throwing anything else in there? So we got another meat that we throwing in there with that bean curd. What's that right there?
Some little beef, some eye round that I chopped up.
Got it seasoned?
Yeah.
Man, look at it. Man, that dude got that chopped up skillfully. What sauces we using? That look interesting.
Golden Label light soy sauce for flavor, and for color, a little bit of color, mushroom dark soy sauce.
Okay. All right, man. So what else you making? I see some noodles here, some more sausage. What's this right here?
This is the lamb.
Lamb. So we about to have some lamb chow mein. Okay.
Since this is only a little bit of lamb, when I add some Chinese sausages, a different style.
Okay. That does look different from the other one.
Yeah.
All right. What veggies we throwing in there? What's that?
Enoki mushrooms.
Enoki mushrooms. Now that sounds like a Mortal Kombat character. What else you got? Some bean sprouts?
Yeah, good old bean sprouts.
Soybean sprouts. Love those. All right. Well, hey, I'm going to be back from time to time, checking the progress on this dude. And, man, I'm excited. All right, dude. So you got this Electric Wok jumping off.
Yeah,
what we starting off with?
So first things first, we're doing the stir-fried bean curd. So in the pan, in the wok, I got avocado oil. My favorite oil to use.
Okay.
High smoke point. Healthier than any oil. So see smoke. So now we got the Chinese sausages. Toss them in there. And since these are small, these aren't gonna take that long.
All right, so I can tell these sausages is done because I'm getting popped in my wrist.
Me too. That hurts. So yeah, like I said, it's getting crispy.
Right.
Nice. We don't want to do too much.
What's next?
Next up, another meat, the good old beef. So we are going to place it down.
So this meat is going, man. It's smelling good. What did you season that with?
So this, I seasoned it with soy sauce, rice vinegar, tiny bit of sesame oil, and this.
Good old MSG. Pulling this meat out. And what's next?
Up next is the main thing, the bean curd.
We're going to be back with this bean curd. This is what I want to see. Look at that.
Alright, so this is the bean curd. Rehydrated. Yeah, rehydrated.
Okay.
So, with the wok still, good heat, just gonna simply put it in.
So you got a little color on that. What's going on now?
And now we're gonna put the seasonings. First things first, that Golden Label light soy sauce. So we're just gonna 360 motion like that.
Okay.
For color, a little bit of color. That mushroom dark, you only need a little bit. Like so. And for a little bit, tiny bit of heat. Some Hong Kong chili oil, premium chili oil.
Premium chili oil.
From Hong Kong. So this is going to be serious. Then
that smells good. All right, so you got that mixed up. Now we coming with them veggies.
Veggies, the garlic chives, and the bok choy. So garlic chives go in, along with the bok choy. That batter toss.
My favorite part.
The meats. We have the meats, Chinese sausage, along with the beef. Sauce it. We're going to let this cook together for another minute and a half, and we are going to do the finishing. We're going to do the finishing touch. Pure sesame oil, dark sesame oil. Dark sesame oil is used, to finish off dishes. Light is used for, frying. So
wow.
This will be, and this will have, good shine to the dish, so it won't be looking dull. Again, you want that shine on it. So we're going to put that, toss it.
Shining like a fresh Jerry curl. So what we got next? We getting together that lamb chow mein, right?
Yep, lamb chow mein. So I'm doing lamb and these Chinese sausages. So you can see, all the goodness.
Okay, nice and fatty.
Yeah, so same procedure as the other ones. Avocado oil in there. These are different, so these are gonna take a tiny bit longer, but
I mean, look at the fat of the sausages.
Yep, and I'm gonna do some sides too. So this cold side, this is bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots?
Yeah, that's it. So the little cold side, and for the hot side, the good, kind employee at 99 Ranch Market. That's where I got everything at. She recommended these dumplings: beef, pork, and black pepper.
So real quick, this is from 99 Ranch. It is a pork sung red bean mochi bread. And this is pork on top of the bread. Interesting. All right, let's cut it open. And it got the red bean paste. I don't know what else that is in there. And it looked like it got an icing up in there. I don't know if that's just grease or cheese or what. So my son just told me that's a mochi in the middle. I guess that's why they call it red bean mochi. All right, let's taste this. Yo, that's legit. You get sweet, salty, savory. So them sausages is done. We got some more oil, that avocado oil. That's what them sausages. As you can see, they definitely cook a little bit different. You can tell how the skin crisp up. And those are good. Those are real good. So now he about to throw this lamb up in here.
This is the seasoned lamb.
What you seasoning lamb with?
Pretty much 2 simple ingredients: soy sauce and this Chinese special spice blend.
Okay.
It's for star anise, fennel, coriander, cinnamon, sugar, cloves. So yeah,
I got all kind of mess in there. Yeah, I can smell it too. You can definitely smell that clove.
And then star anise. So we're gonna walk up the heat again real quick. And we're gonna put the lamb.
Straight lamb. Mary will be mad. Okay, so that's pretty much done, right?
Yep, the lamb.
Alright, so then when you're done with this, what's next?
I am going to boil the chow mein noodles and
put it all together?
Yep. Along with, of course, the bean sprouts.
Alright. Man, we're going to be back in a minute. All right, man. So we finishing up. Go ahead and walk me through it.
Alright, so Caesar, avocado oil in the pan. And then we got this enoki mushrooms. It is important to wash these
Okay.
because these gather up a lot of dirt at the bottom. That's why you see the bottom.
Okay.
So
you can see the little root right there. So you got to make sure you wash them. So you don't be having gritty stuff all up in your
dirt and bugs.
You know, hey, some people think that is extra protein. But hey, I'm not here to judge them. So go ahead. We finishing up.
Alright, chow mein. Nice and dry. Oil heated up. Spread it out.
All right, man. So you got a little color on them noodles. Now we're going with that sauce. That's that soy sauce, that light.
Yep, the golden label light. Flavor. So we're gonna put it on the edges so it will heat down at the bottom. Like that.
You see it right there at the bottom.
The dark. Put it in the middle. Just some color. Put a circle in the middle.
Show that sauce again, man. I need it for later.
Yeah, the mushroom dark.
Yeah, all right.
A little more right here.
Yeah, that's why I wanted you to show it again, because that swirl wasn't complete.
Yeah, and some favorite seasonings. Simple garlic powder.
Garlic.
Garlic powder. Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Recipe from our kitchen. And the greatest.
MSG. He showed you a box earlier because he bought another box, but we got a bag already open.
In there. And now,
Uncle Roger would be so proud.
yeah. Wait for the sauce to cook down a little bit. So it can dry again. Then we'll top the meats and vegetables. Toss it around a little bit, and we're done.
So we got a little evaporation of that sauce. What's next, man?
The good old bean sprouts. Gotta love bean sprouts. Add nice crunch to any dish. So we're going to do equal amount of that. Sorry.
You good. I'm getting all into it. I'm like going closer and closer. So those cook down a little bit.
Yep, now we add Chinese sausage. Boom. Lamb.
Lamb. Very interesting. That's pretty much ready.
And a few more things. I'm going to turn the heat down. Should turn the heat off once it's done. Now, we're going to add, as the finishing garnish, green onion. I always like to put green onions last, so it'll still stay, in its shape, which, crunchy, so it wouldn't be soft or soggy.
Okay.
That in, the finishing oil once again, the dark pure sesame oil.
Yeah, I just got a few little noodles that fell off to the side. Woo! That dark sesame?
Yeah.
Now explain the difference again between dark and light.
Dark sesame oil, the sesame seeds are roasted, more, so it has more flavor. It is used to, finish off dishes to give it, more flavor. The light, if it's lighter in color, that's used to, pan fry, whatever. If you try to pan fry in dark sesame oil, it will become very bitter. And no one does not like bitter, taste.
Okay. All right.
And with that, it is done.
Yeah, we're going to be back with some eats. This is done. I'm using some leftovers plates, paper plates, because we don't feel like washing too many dishes. So this is the Lamb Chow Mein with the Chinese sausage. There's the lamb. Some of that dumpling that he said he was going to do. Some of this bamboo shoot that he marinated. And this is the dried bean curd that was rehydrated and fried with some of that eye around, some was this garlic spring onion or garlic leek or something like that, and then some bok choy in there. So let's get a sample of everything. Okay, so let's get a sample. I'm interested in this Lamb Chow Mein. That was good. I mean, you get that lamb taste, but it ain't like super gamey, and that's what I was kind of afraid of. This is a little bit with the Chinese sausage. We're gonna cleanse the palate with one of these dumplings. Got my ear itching. Now, I was sampling this after he was done. This bean curd is the business. And this bok choy in there, and this garlic spring onion or whatever, man. Get some of everything. That's on point. Now, he said he marinated this bamboo shoot himself. He didn't even like it. Or, it was his first time doing it or whatever, but hey, if this one little thing is not on point, it doesn't matter because everything else tastes like we wouldn't order that shit. Oh no. Bamboo shoot, when you get it up to your nose, it smells like halitosis. Alright, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed checking out my boy in action. I'm going to try to get him to do a few more things, and this was amazing. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Keenan just felt like cooking. And share the videos as well. Peace.